Comprehensive Guide to Weight Loss. Losing weight is a common goal for many people, seeking to improve their health and well-being. Achieving effective weight loss involves a combination of dietary changes, physical activity, and behavioral modifications. This video provides an in-depth exploration of successful weight loss strategies, including various diet plans, effective exercises, and beneficial fruits and vegetables. Understanding weight loss. At its core, weight loss occurs when you burn more calories than you consume. This concept, known as a calorie deficit, is essential for weight management. However, it's not just about eating less. It's about eating smart. A sustainable approach that focuses on nutrient-rich foods rather than extreme dieting is crucial for long-term success. The key factors influencing weight loss include 1. Metabolism. Each person's metabolic rate can vary, affecting how many calories they burn at rest. 2. Body composition. Muscle mass burns more calories than fat, so building muscle can help increase overall calorie expenditure. 3. Diet quality. The types of foods you consume significantly impact hunger, satiety, and overall health. Diet plans for weight loss. Selecting an effective diet plan is fundamental to achieving weight loss goals. Here are some popular and effective diet plans. 1. Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet emphasizes whole foods and healthy fats. It includes fruits and vegetables, rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These foods should make up a significant portion of your diet. Whole grains. Foods like brown rice, quinoa, and whole grain bread provide essential fiber and nutrients. Lean proteins. Fish, poultry, legumes, and nuts are preferred, while red meat is limited. Healthy fats. Olive oil is the primary source of fat, replacing saturated fats and processed oils. Research has shown that the Mediterranean diet can lead to significant weight loss and improved heart health, making it a sustainable choice for many. 2. DASH diet. The dietary approaches to stop hypertension. DASH diet focuses on foods that lower blood pressure but is also effective for weight loss. Its key components include fruits and vegetables, encourages consumption of a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables. Lean proteins, emphasizes fish, poultry, and plant-based proteins. Whole grains, a focus on whole grains instead of refined grains, helps maintain steady energy levels and provides fiber. The DASH diet limits sodium, saturated fats, and added sugars, promoting overall health while supporting weight loss. 3. Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting, is more of an eating pattern than a traditional diet. Common methods include 16/8 method, fasting for 16 hours, and eating during an 8-hour window. This can help reduce calorie intake naturally. 5:2 method, eating normally for 5 days of the week and restricting calories, around 500 to 600, on 2 non-consecutive days. Research indicates that intermittent fasting can improve insulin sensitivity, aid in fat loss, and may even enhance metabolic health. Effective exercises for weight loss. Incorporating regular physical activity is crucial for effective weight loss. Exercise not only burns calories, but also helps maintain muscle mass during weight loss. Here are some recommended exercises. 1. Cardiovascular exercise. Cardio activities are essential for increasing heart rate and burning calories. Some effective forms include running or jogging, high calorie, burning, and can be done outdoors or on a treadmill. Cycling, an excellent, low-impact option that can be performed on stationary bikes or outdoors. Swimming, a full-body workout that is easy on the joints and provides a significant calorie burn. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity cardio each week, or 75 minutes of vigorous activity spread throughout the week. 2. Strength training. Lifting weights or using resistance bands helps build muscle mass, which can increase your resting metabolic rate. Recommended practices include bodyweight exercises, push-ups, squats, and lunges can be done anywhere and are effective for building strength. Weightlifting, using free weights or machines at the gym to target specific muscle groups. Circuit training, combining Strength exercises with minimal rest in between to keep the heart rate elevated. Aim for at least 2 strength training sessions per week, focusing on all major muscle groups. 3. High-intensity interval training. HIIT involves alternating between short bursts of intense activity and periods of rest or lower-intensity exercise. Benefits include time efficiency. HIIT workouts can be completed in 20 to 30 minutes and are effective for burning calories. Increased afterburn effect. The high intensity can lead to increased calorie burn even after the workout is completed. HIIT can include activities like sprinting, cycling, or bodyweight exercises, making it versatile and accessible. Beneficial fruits for weight loss. Incorporating fruits into your diet is a delicious and nutritious way to support weight loss. Here are 3 fruits that are particularly beneficial. 1. Berries. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are low in calories and high in fiber. They are packed with antioxidants, which can improve overall health and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. The fiber in berries promotes satiety, helping to control hunger and prevent overeating. 2. Apples. Apples are another excellent choice for weight loss. They are high in fiber, particularly in the skin, which helps keep you feeling full. Apples also contain vitamins and antioxidants, making them a nutritious snack. Their natural sweetness can satisfy cravings for sugary treats without the added calories. 3. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is unique among fruits due to its potential weight loss benefits. Some studies suggest that grapefruit may aid in reducing insulin levels, which can promote fat loss. It's low in calories, high in vitamins, and can be enjoyed on its own or added to salads for a refreshing twist. Beneficial vegetables for weight loss. In addition to fruits, certain vegetables can significantly contribute to weight loss efforts. Here are 3 vegetables that are particularly effective. 1. Leafy greens. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are nutrient-dense and low in calories. They are high in fiber, which aids digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness. Leafy greens are versatile and can be added to salads, smoothies, or cooked dishes for added nutrition. 2. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that is rich in fiber and low in calories. It can help reduce hunger due to its bulk and contains important vitamins, such as C and K. Broccoli can be steamed, roasted, or added to stir-fries, making it a versatile addition to any meal. 3. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are incredibly low in calories and high in water content, making them an excellent choice for hydration and satiety. They can be eaten raw in salads or as snacks, and their crisp texture provides a satisfying crunch without adding significant calories. Behavioral strategies for weight loss. In addition to diet and exercise, adopting certain behavioral strategies can enhance your weight loss journey. 1. Mindful eating. Pay attention to what and when you eat. Eating slowly and without distractions can help. You recognize hunger and fullness cues. Establish. 2. Set realistic goals. Establish achievable and specific goals for your weight loss journey. Rather than aiming for drastic changes, focus on gradual and sustainable progress. 3. Stay hydrated. Drinking water throughout the day can help control hunger and prevent overeating. Sometimes, thirst can be mistaken for hunger. 4. Keep a food diary. Tracking your food intake can provide insights into your eating habits, helping you identify areas for improvement. 5. Seek support. Joining a weight loss group or enlisting a friend for accountability can provide motivation and encouragement. Conclusion. Losing weight effectively requires a multifaceted approach that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and healthy lifestyle choices. The Mediterranean and DASH diets are excellent options for sustainable weight loss, while incorporating fruits and vegetables can enhance overall nutrition and satiety. Engaging in cardiovascular exercise, strength training, and HIIT can promote calorie burning and muscle maintenance. By adopting mindful eating habits, setting realistic goals, and seeking support, you can create a lasting weight loss journey that enhances your health and well-being. Remember, consistency and patience are key to achieving and maintaining your weight loss goals. With dedication and the right strategies, you can successfully reach your desired weight and enjoy a healthier lifestyle.